Welcome to this video. In this video, you will learn how to get your blog post indexed very fast on Google. Also, how to fix CRUD, country not indexed, and discovered, currency not indexed. Indexing is the most important aspect of SEO. Without it, there is no SEO. Just imagine, you did a keyword research, wrote and published a masterpiece article, and you are hoping to start ranking and driving traffic to your site, only to discover that it wasn't indexed. That's heartbreaking. Discovered, currently not indexed means Google is aware of the page but hasn't crawled and indexed it. Why crawled, currently not indexed means the URL was crawled but hasn't been indexed. There are many causes of discovered or crawled, currently not indexed. Number one is poor content. Having poorly written content can result to this. Poor content is a short article or a copy and paste article, or simply said, is a low valued content. Secondly, poor internal linking. Having an orphan pages or posts can cause it. Orphan pages are pages without any link pointing to them. These pages are standalone pages. The third cause of this issue is having a new website. This is a very common issue for new websites with a lot of content. It is sometimes intentional by Google until they see the site as valuable. Number four, not having a sitemap submitted to Google Search Console. The last reason is unknown. The other causes of this issue, which is unknown. Discovered, currently not indexed, can last forever, according to John Mueller of Google. This is what he said about it.
Second question is, we started a new page about 2 months ago, and we have pages that are discovered but not indexed. So my question is just how long can we expect for that to last? And yeah.
That can be forever. It's something where we just don't crawl and index all pages, and it's completely normal for any website that we don't have everything indexed. And especially with a newer website, if you have a lot of content, then I would assume that it's expected that a lot of the new content for a while will be discovered and not indexed, and then over time, usually it kind of shifts over and is like, well, it's actually crawled or it's actually indexed when we see that there's actually value in kind of focusing more on the website itself. But it's not guaranteed. So from that point of view, it's not that I would say you should just wait a little bit and then suddenly things will get better with crawling and indexing. It's more that like continue working on the website and making sure that our systems recognize that there's value in crawling and indexing more. And then over time, we will crawl and index more.
Okay, thank you very much.
Cool.
So let's get down on how to get these issues fixed. In this video, I will show you more than 6 ways to get this fixed. Then in the subsequent videos, I will show you detailed explanation on how to get it done using any of the solutions. Number one solution to this issue is using Google Search Console URL Inspector. This is the most commonest method to get blog posts indexed, but sometimes it doesn't work. The second method to fix indexing issue or discover currently not indexed is by interlinking, that is, internal link. This is done by linking the affected URL to a post on your site which is already indexed on Google. 3. Social media. Paste the affected URL on your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and so on. Number 4 way to get this resolved is build quality links to the site or to the URL. Sites with quality links pointing to them hardly have issues with getting their pages or posts indexed. 5. Run ads. This is magical. I have tried this severally and my URL got indexed. You can run native ads, social media ads, or even in-push or pop-up ads to the affected URL. 6. Get Google News approval. Getting Google News approval helps to drive traffic to your website and also in fast indexing of your blog post or your site in minutes. 7. Add your site to Google My Business. After adding your site to Google My Business, make sure it has been successfully verified. After successful verification of your site on Google My Business, having a link from Google My Business not only helps to get your content indexed, but also helps to build trust to your site. 8. Add a sitemap to your Google Search Console account. Adding a sitemap to Google Search Console account helps to inform Google about the information on your website, like the number of pages, posts, videos, and other files on your website. And the last method to get this issue resolved, that is discovered, currently not indexed, and CRUD, currently not indexed on your site, is by using Index Now. If you use CMS like WordPress, then you should install a plugin called Index Now. This helps to fast index of your blog posts on Google. So that is how to get your blog post indexed very fast on Google, and also to fix CRUD, currently not indexed, and discovered, currently not indexed. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like, subscribe to get more videos on blogging tips and SEO. I will see you in the next video.